Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a PDF file into Google Sheets step by step. If you've ever been stuck with important data locked away in a PDF and you need that info in a spreadsheet to edit, organize, or analyze, this is the solution you've been looking for. By the end of this video, you'll know a simple method to turn any PDF into a fully usable Google Sheet. No confusion, no frustration, just quick and easy results. Alright, let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll want to do is open a new browser tab. This way you can do the PDF conversion in one window while keeping your Google Sheets ready in another. It's like setting up your workspace before starting a project. Having everything within reach keeps things smooth and efficient. Next, head to your favorite search engine and type in PDF to CSV. Why CSV? Well, CSV, which stands for comma-separated values, is a file type that Google Sheets can read easily. There are lots of free online tools that can turn a PDF into a CSV. You'll see options like Smalt, PDFTO, CSV.com, or Zamzar. Take a quick look and choose the one you're most comfortable with. Most of them work pretty similarly. Personally, I look for ones that are straightforward and don't ask me to sign up or download anything extra. Once you've picked your preferred converter, look for a button or link that says something like Select File or Choose from Device. Go ahead and click on that to upload the PDF you want to convert. This part might take a little time, especially if your PDF is on the larger side, so don't worry if you see a loading bar. It's just the website working its magic behind the scenes. After you've uploaded your PDF, the website will usually give you an option to choose your output file type. Make sure to select CSV. This is key because Google Sheets needs that spreadsheet-friendly format to bring your data in cleanly. Hit the Convert button and let the website process the file. Give it a moment, it's combining a bit of digital wizardry with some good old patience. Once the conversion is done, you'll get a download link for your new CSV file. Click to save it to your computer. Remember where you put it, as you'll need it in just a second. Now switch back over to your Google Sheets tab. Open the sheet where you want to import your data or create a new one if you're starting fresh. At the top left, click on File, then drop down to Import. This brings up a menu where you can upload files. Click Upload, and either drag your new CSV file into the window or use the Select a File from your device button. Google will ask how you want to import it. You can insert the data into the current sheet, replace the sheet, or create a new one. Choose what makes sense for your needs. After Google Sheets pulls in your data, take a moment to look it over and make sure everything looks right. Sometimes you might need to adjust a column width or format a number. That's totally normal. And that's it. You've just taken a PDF and transformed it into a fully editable Google Sheet, ready for you to analyze, share, or organize however you need. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.